We launched this website just yesterday, and we're already seeing massive visibility improvements. So here is a look at some baseline sample tracking that we do for Google. And if we come down here, we see on March 2nd, we started ranking tracking here, and just to give us a baseline before we launch the new website. So things like concrete leveling in Johnston. We've got different cities here, but just a sampling of keywords to give us an idea of how we are moving up with the new site launch. So we've got initial tracking, and then we can kind of see the change here. So some of these we already had really good rankings for, like concrete leveling in Johnson. Number 2, great. Now we're number 1. But all these that show new, those we didn't have any sort of visibility for. And again, this is just a sample, and you can see lots and lots of new opportunities that we are showing up for atop Google here. All right, other ones like concrete leveling in Severance. All right, so this is a great one. We had no visibility there whatsoever, and that's because there was nothing in place on the existing website that targeted that area. However, we put in some great city landing pages, and as you can see, boom, overnight, literally, they are now number 2 in that area. That's essentially a digital billboard working 24/7, 365 in that town. And that's the idea. We do that in other towns. You can see over here in Berthoud, or however you pronounce that, there was some visibility, but nothing that's really going to drive a lot of business. Now, overnight, numbers 2 and 3 we are sitting. So lots more visibility. And again, this is just overnight. I would expect in the next couple of days this continues to increase, and certainly over the next few weeks as well. So this is just a great start here, and lots of assets that are now working, and this website is going to pay itself off very quickly.